Moon's orbital rotation around Earth. Today, I will be explaining how the moon orbits around the Earth, and more subjects like interesting facts in depth. My name is Jordan, and I will be teaching you about the moon's origin and more. Have you ever seen the moon orbit and rotate around the Earth and wondering how it works? Then you came to the right presentation. Another topic I will be teaching you is about the cause and effects of the moon orbiting our planet Earth. Another item I will say that most of this information comes from NASA and National Geographic. Now it's time to start the explanation. To begin with, I will be talking about the moon's origin. The moon used to be a space rock that was from Mars that collided with it, then it created gigantic debris which accumulated and became the moon 4.5 billion years ago. There are more theories about its origin, but the origin theory I just told you is the leading one. But as far as we know, the moon's origin is still unknown. The craters on the moon were created by space rocks and asteroids. This is similar to the moon's leading theory. But other than that, they were named after artists and astronauts that ventured it during 1969 through 1972. There are dark and light parts of the moon, which are the Maria and the Highlands. The Maria is the dark part of the moon, which was the rivers that it had, but the rivers were filled with basaltic lava. The rock located at the Maria is younger than the rocks on the Highlands. The light parts were named of the Highlands. The Maria has depleted its lava billions of years ago. Now let's begin from bottom to top. I will be stating the moon's orbital rotation around the Earth. The time for the moon to complete its full orbit around Earth is 227 and 3.3 days, according to NASA's information. The distance it maintains between Earth and the moon is 238,900 million miles, which is around not through 3 days to travel to. Another subject I would like to bring up is that the moon moves 1.5 inches away from the Earth each year. Another fact I would like to give you is that it moves at a rate of 1.022 kms around the Earth, which is like 2 to 3 miles per hour. It orbits around the Earth on its axis counterclockwise. The item I will bring up in this paragraph is that it has its own time zone, which is Lunar Standard Time, but more preferred as LST. Next up, the cause and effects of the moon. Most of the cause and effects are caused by the gravitational pull on the moon. One of the effects of the gravitational pull is that they cause tides and on the beach to raise or lower it all day 24/7. The moon also gives off moonlight, but the light isn't created by the moon but by the sun. The moon reflects the sunlight. The moon and sun can create a solar eclipse due to the position they are aligned in. The moon is more of an egg shape due to the gravitational pull. After the words, I will be teaching you the interesting facts about the moon. The moon has 8 lunar phases, which are new moon, waxing crescent, first quarter, waxing gibbous, full moon, and more that you need to research. The moon is the 5th largest satellite in the Milky Way, as it also the closest satellite near us. The moon was named the moon because the moon traced to the word Mona, which means which was a word developed in the medieval time period. Mana also shares the word metri, which means measure and minutes, but the moon was named after measuring the months. After learning about the moon, you haven't probably known the facts until today, like the moon's origin and orbital rotation. I hope you research more about the moon and tell others about the facts you learned today. I also thank you for coming to the speech I've prepared for today. Thank you.